Hello and welcome back to the next episode of the ProcessWire seminar. If you haven't done it so far and you don't want to miss any new episode, please consider to subscribe to the channel. It will help us to grow the channel and it's also motivational. So, what topic do we deal with today? Today we want to add some text to the posts. But before we go to this, I have to go back to a topic that we have already done in the last episode. It's about templates. I think I haven't explained it too much in detail, and there have been several questions about this. So I will go back to this detail now, and templates will also be a part today of the text. So let's go for it. So here we are having our example with our blog post, and now we want to add some text which we will then print out here right to our post. So anyway, let's go to the admin. First we have to log in. Alright, so templates. We can see we are having here two templates. One is page and the other one is blog post. The page is used actually by 3 pages, what we can see here, and the blog post is actually used by 4 pages. So if you want to know which pages actually are using it, you can just click here on the number. This will give you a list of all pages which are actually using this blog post. To explain it a bit more, let's look into this page. This page, we can see here, is having this template attached to it. And what we can also see, this is the very first page. Okay, it's not so obvious in this place. Let's go to this page. This page is having also the same template. But here we are having this is the name of the page, and here we are. What's wrong? Good. Sorry for this. So this page is having this URL, and this doesn't mean that you have to build a PHP file with the name of this. The template name is always reflect the name of the file for the template. If you need a file for the template, is always reflected by the name of this template, which you can choose here with the drop down. So if we go to our PHP store, we can see here we are having here the file blog post, and here we are having the file page. So this is small explanation for this. So if you want to do a new template and you want to print out something, so for this you will need a PHP file, and the PHP file has to be the same file name as the template name, and it's always best to consider staying with lowercase, otherwise you might get confused and then the selector is not working because you have used lowercase or camel case or whatever, and then stay lowercase so there's no distraction by this. Okay, let's go for text. How do we do this? We have here our first post, and I want to choose here, maybe in this area here, next to the post date, I want to choose among several tags, and I also want to be able to add new ones. Wow, this looks very challenging, but I think we can do this. So what do we have to do? We need a new field for this. No, let's start it with a bit different. We are having here our blog posts, And I want to do here an area, a section where we will store our tags. So they have to be stored somewhere. Why? You will see later. So I will do new. Let's do it a bit more different. I will do here a folder. We will add a new template with the name folder. This folder won't have any attached PHP file, so it can't do any output. So to make it a bit more obvious what it will do, we will also give it a label and icon, sorry. And the icon will be something which is like maybe I'll find it faster here. I want to have something like this. A nice folder icon. Okay, so I will go back. Here I will say tags, and it will have the template of folder. We can save and publish it. And now we are having here an area which is named tags. So, and each tag needs also a template. We can also do all with the same template, but I think it's a bit more structured if we do it like this. My opinion. So, okay, I will name this tags. This will also have no special file attached. It will only have the title, which will be the tag name then, and also for this I want to have some nice icon. Let's do it tags. Good. And now we will add our first tag. Inside here it will have tags, and I will name it tag1. Save and publish. So we have here now our tag1. Maybe it's right now a bit disturbing for you, but no worries. Everything will be clear very soon. So we will go back to our first post. Let's go to the template first. We have here our blog post. And here I want to have next to this our new field, which we don't have actually. So we need a new field. This new field will be the name tags. Let's make it capital. And it shall be a page reference. Good. The page reference is a single page, multi-page, single page, whatever. And we need here page autocomplete. The parent will be tags. The template will be tag. We don't have it actually. No, we have it already. Let's go to the fields. Oh, it has a wrong name. How could this? It's just a tag. Yes, I'm pretty sure. This was a bit... Okay, let's go back. We're having here our field tags. So it will have the template tag, and it will have the title this, and what else? And we want to allow new pages to be created from field. So what will happen now? Let me explain to you, little by little. We will go to our template first, our blog post. Here we have our text, our post date, and I want to have our text next to the post date. Actually, it's under it. So we can go here to the input field, and I will give this a width of 70%, and our text will get a width of 30%. So you can do the math. 70 plus 30 is 100, so it will be placed next to each other. So we will go to our first post, edit it, and here we can see we have text. Now I can start to type, and it will give us tag 1. So we're only getting 1. We have now an item tag 2, tag 2. What is happening now? Let's look. Seiten verlassen. So we don't have anything saved now. What's wrong? Let's go back. Now we have tags on tag 1. So let's trash this. As you have seen, we could only add 1. And this is because I did it some kind of wrong. We have to say we want to have multi-page. And now if we go back, we go to our first post. Now we can say tag 2, tag 3, tag 4, tag 5, and so on. So I will save this. We go to home, and now we have here a list of tags. Let's go to the second post. Second post is actually not tagged. Let's tag it with our tag 3, and we can also go for tag 5. Now it will be tagged with tag 3 and 5. Let's go to our third post. Our third post will have tag 1 and tag 5. As you can see, you can tag now everything nicely with this. And every new tag will be added to this place. And all of these tags can then be assigned to our blog post. So how do we get now our blog post out here in this area? No problem. Let's go to our page, and in this case we have blog post, and we are having the title, and I want to have it next to the author. So let's go to this place. So we will go for this with our for each loop, because we are having an array of pages which we can assign now. Which we can go through now, and it is in this case page tags as tag. Let's see. Nothing is happening. What's wrong? Edit. Yes. We are on the first page, and the first page is not blog post. This would be this page, and here it is working. As we can see, here are 4 numbers, and the 4 numbers are the IDs of the tags. So as you can see, you can do a lot of errors here. So if you go to the tags and we go to edit, I will edit it so you can see here, this is the ID of the name, of the page. So now we have to get the name, the title. So we can just say tag title. Let's go back. And now we have here tag 2, tag 3, tag 4, tag 5. Okay, let's go back. And I want to have it here too. So we have to go to our page. And here we will do the very same. Here is this. And now we can go here also. Blog post tag as tag echo tag title and end of PHP. So let's see. Wow. Warning, invalid argument supplied for each. On line 173. Yes. Blog post tag. What's wrong here? It is tags and not tag. And now it is working. Okay. The next episode we will do a small tag cloud here on the side, and we will put links on the tags, and then we will have pages which will then show us all the pages which are tagged with this particular tag. This is something you can find on nearly every WordPress page. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe so you will get notified for any new post. And yes, have fun. See you soon. Bye bye.